this video I will show you how to make cauliflower fried rice, which is very healthy. For this we need one cauliflower, which I already washed it and break into a small pieces. And then we need some veggies of your choice. I'm taking a bell pepper, red and yellow bell pepper, and some mushrooms. Further, we need one small onion, which I finely chopped. I'm taking a red onion. You can take the white as available. Then we need some green chilies to taste. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, which finely chopped. And some ginger, 15 gram, which I also finely chopped. I'm using a food processor to grind the cauliflower, but you can also use the grater to grate the cauliflower as well. While grinding the cauliflower, you need to ensure that you are grinding it in a coarse form. Now to start making a cauliflower fried rice, I'm taking a pan at the medium heat and taking a sesame oil. Sesame oil gives a great taste to the cauliflower fried rice, but you can use the olive oil or canola oil as well. Then add the garlic and saute them until golden brown. Once the garlic is done, then add ginger. Saute a little bit. Then add onions and the green chilies. Saute them. Then add salt to taste. Then add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of oregano. Oregano gives a great taste to the fried rice. Saute the onions until it releases the oil and is well cooked. Then add 2 tablespoons of crushed tomatoes. Mix them well. Then cook it until it's released the oil and well cooked. Then add veggies. Mix well. Saute the veggies for another 2-3 minutes. Then add cauliflower, which we already grinded in a food processor. Mix well. Finally, after 3-4 minutes, the cauliflower look like this. Be sure the cauliflower should not be overcooked, otherwise it doesn't taste like a rice. Then add a soya sauce to taste. I'm adding approximately 2 teaspoons of soya sauce into the cauliflower rice. Mix well. Just adding a little bit of more soya sauce. It gives a great taste and the color to the cauliflower fried rice. Almost the cauliflower fried rice is ready. Cook another minute or two and your veggie cauliflower fried rice is ready to eat. But for a egg fried rice, I'm going to make 2 scrambled eggs on the side to add into the cauliflower fried rice. Break 2 eggs in a bowl. Add salt to taste. Add a little bit of black pepper. Mix the eggs well and add to the pan with the oil and scramble it to make a scrambled eggs. Once the eggs are ready, add to the cauliflower fried rice to make it cauliflower egg fried rice. Eggs are totally optional. For the vegetarian, you can skip the eggs, but for the protein lovers, you can add the eggs. Then finally add some coriander leaves. Mix them well. Now our cauliflower fried rice is ready to serve. This recipe of cauliflower fried rice is very healthy and contain very less of carbs if you are diet conscious, and very good in taste. So try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the update on any new videos.